You see the sun rays are coming through the trees early morning, and this is a small thicket. You can see the underground, the ground under the trees, and the leaves are everywhere. You can see scattering, and this is a forest reserve area, and I think it is good because people will not have to actually suffer from the lack of water because of the trees which are growing. Very big trees, you see, and large trees are growing in the wild, and there are so many trees. So thank you for watching.